Welcome everybody to Trading Jesus Tribe, where we hunt for exact price value. Today we're gonna talk about HCMC and the prices that we could look for this week, next week, and the prices for this month before it ends. And we saw breaking for the support level. It happened before we finish our last trading session on Friday. So what's happening exactly and what's we should expect for the prices, everything we're gonna talk about in this video. So without further ado, let's press the like button, and always guys, Trading Jesus told you to be patient and hunt for exact price value. So let's get to the chart. From what we can look here, guys, look with me. The price been consolidating, and we broke from this ascending line. And as I told you in previous video, if you saw the video, I told you the moment if we go past this ascending line, we see sell pressure and test for 0.14. If we don't, we're gonna see retracement almost to 0.0011. And this is what we did exactly. So now what we should expect, we have a hold up here, and look with me. Yes, here exactly. So here we barcoding again as we did before. And now what we should expect, at least by the next week, the price to jump from the 0.011 to test again the 0.14. And before we're gonna go deeper about the prices again, let's talk about the big jump that we did here. As everybody knows that the HCMC, the company, they did the right offering, like because they need to raise some money, and this is how some stock or company raise some money, is to offer the shareholder, the investor, that they already own the stock, to have a price cut or like a discount for the share if they bought in the certain time, like let's say 2 weeks or 1 month. If you bought and during this day, you get a discount. That's why we saw a big jump that's happened here, but we met with really big resistance around the 0.034. And now after this and the offering is over, we saw the price been down because there is no buying pressure. And we could see here the buying pressure was from investor because the right offering. Then after right offering finished, the price plummet and went down again. So this is kind of the fundamental explanation, and the technical from the point of view. I told you guys this is not healthy way of exploding, and we need to test any resistance before we go any higher. So if we go, let's say here around the 0.031, we don't need the price to go even another to 0.038, but we need to test, then we need to consolidate here. But that we didn't see, but we see the opposite. Look with me, guys. We see the price go up, then boom, the price get down, like we didn't even hold in this area. You see with me, guys? This is 1 hour chart, and just 1 hour, and then we have a big sell-off. And now, as I show you before, guys, here this is the price. I told you this is the most important price for HCMC, around this level between the 0.020 and 0.014. And any price I told you guys go down, we see the price, it's mean big weakness, and any price go from 0.0020, we see an explosion. So always put your notification, guys, around this level. From now, from your brokerage account, just put a notification around 0.020, and again about the level 0.014, because this is the moment if we test it again and we explode from it, this is mean there is a sign for a buying pressure from the investors, because as you can see back then almost any explosion happened after we go above and test the 0.0014, we see an explosion happening again. But from now, look with me down, guys. The volume has been dropping and we are actually technically below the zero and negative, and in the big picture as well we are in the below the zero, and this is not this is the thing you don't want to see if you want buying pressure happening. So by Monday, guys, this is important stuff. By Monday we need at least what we want to see. The warning sign is we don't want to drop below here. Any price below the 0.011, this is not good, and we might see even test again to 0.0008. So hopefully we don't see the price gravitate even down, because here we still hold. There is might next week we test again the 0.014, and again, guys, if we test and we have explosion again above, this will be really good to test again the level around the 0.0020, and from there we're gonna see a good explosion again. I will notify you guys whenever I see the price movement as we predicted here at the 16th of April. Hopefully you saw the video, because we predicted here the price jump and before we actually go to 0.0033. So put the notification, guys, so you never miss this massive move that we're gonna do really soon. So guys, as I show you guys, for HCMC is kind of predictable, because the jump happened because the right offering, and this is good and bad at the same time, because we see a big jump and the cause of it because the investor have a good a good price for the shares to buy at certain price, and this is what we saw the price like bump up like really big, and we even broke so many resistance. And I told you guys, this is not healthy. We need growing for the price and testing for the price a bit by a bit, healthy way, consolidate, then we have a buyer, genuine buyer, not just with right offering or something like incentive to buy, but people buying, not just investor. This is really good, and you see a change in trend from downtrend to uptrend. So this is one of the things we have to look for HCMC for coming days. I will notify you guys about any jump or change in momentum, so you could capitalize on the next big jump for HCMC. So hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update. As always tell you, trading Jesus, to be patient and hunt for exact right price value. So without further ado, hopefully have a nice weekend, and see you guys in the next video. See you guys.